guys! Ako si Ruti Pai and welcome back to my channel! Welcome to my channel! Magluluto tayo ngayon ng adobong manok as requested ni Mamshi. So ayan, papainit lang natin ang kawali. Yes! Dito ako magluluto sa butane kasi ayoko magluto dun sa kuryente, parang hindi ako nasasarapan. So our ingredients for tonight is chicken. I also already marinated this afternoon, and we have here the ginger, garlic, and onion. So we're gonna saute everything, and then let's see what will happen next. We have the canola oil. We're gonna use the canola oil for tonight. Yeah. So we're gonna put some canola oil here at the wok. I don't want too much oil. So there you are. We already have the canola oil. So what we're gonna do is we need to fry the ginger first. Ginger. Okay, unahin lang natin yung ginger. So ako, unahin ko lang yung ginger. Yes, we're gonna saute the ginger. Ayan, para kita niyo. Kasi magaano tayo. Dito, I'm gonna bit a little bit of oil. Alright. So there you are. So we're gonna put the garlic. It's up to you, garlic or onion. It's up to you guys. But I put the garlic first. And then after that, I'm gonna put the onions. Gusto ko kasi pantay-pantay, pero inuuna ko talaga yung ginger. So, there you are. Saglit lang tong lutuin. Madali lang naman ako magluto. Lagi madali magluto eh. Lagi nagmamadali magluto. Paano kasi laging gutom. So, there you are. And para pantay, hindi sunog. So you're gonna lower a little bit, and then you are a little bit golden brown bago natin ilagay yung chicken. Yes, oh, that's good, very good. Oh, little bit of, there you go. Wow, sarap. Masarap na naman to, Walid. Shout out to my We Are One family. I hope you are all okay. Alright. And then, since it was already a little bit golden brown, so I'm gonna put the chicken. I want the chicken a little bit fry. Alright. So we're gonna put, we don't mix the sauce. And then, wow, this one is requested ng aking Mamshi. Alright. So, I want the chicken a little bit fry first. Saka natin siya lalagyan ng mga toyo niya o ano naman. Yan.
Few moments later.
So, then cover it for 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Bago natin ilagay yung mga sauce or and there you are. Ayan, okay na siya. Wow. See? Yummy. Yummy ang ating chicken adobo for tonight. Alright. There you go. Wow. And this one is black sauce. Gonna put some black sauce para hindi naman maputla yung ating adobo. Yung kulay kumbaga. So we're gonna put some black sauce. Ooh. And also gonna use the double cooked soy sauce. Wow. Yung una ko nilagay hindi siya maalat yan pang kulay lang. And we're gonna mix it all. Yeah. There you go. Wow. Ang ganda ng kulay niya. And we're gonna put some pepper, ground black pepper. Yeah. Oh. Bango niya na guys. Grabe. Sobrang bango niya. Ayan. Habang siya ay naliligo pa sa kanyang sariling sauce. I'm gonna put some chicken powder here. Yes. Para yung lasa niya is balance. And I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Yes. Yun ang style ko. It depends on you kung paano yung style niyo. Yan. I think the color is I'll just have a little bit of black sauce para hindi pa siya maganda yung color niya. Okay? Yes. Ganda. Yeah, yan ang kulay na gusto ko. And we will add some gravy here for the chicken marinated gravy. Yes, sasarap niyan. And okay. So, ayan. Sinama ko na siya lahat. And after that, we're gonna simmer this for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. 15 to 20 minutes. So, we'll be back later, guys.
A few moments later.
So, ayan. Okay na. 20 minutes na siya. So, ayan guys. Ayan, galing. Sarap. Malambot na siya. Ayan. Yung manok naman dito mabilis lumambot. So, ang ganda na malapot na yung gravy niya. See? Wow. Sobrang sarap. So, lalagyan natin siya ngayon ng ilalagay tayo ng chili flakes. Kasi hindi anong kumakain si Mamita ng maanghang. So, just a little bit. Para may sipa yung ating chicken adobo. Ayan. Ubus na natin ito para masarap.
Much later.
Yan. Okay na siya, guys. Sarap na to. Sarap na ng ating chicken adobo. So, ayan na, guys. Wow. So, luto na siya. Tikman na natin ngayon ang ating chicken adobo. Grabe. Ang sarap niya, guys. So, okay na yung chicken adobo natin, guys. Hope you like my cooking. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the notification bell so that you can always update it to my vlog. This is Ruti Pai saying goodbye, good night, and God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.